Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video, I'm going to show you iPhone 15 Plus how to factory reset without PC method. Click the mobile setting and click the general and I will check the model number 15 Plus. Okay. Now go back and swipe down and click the transfer or reset iPhone and erase all content and type your mobile password. Your phone is successfully factory reset, and if you try this method, your data always delete, photos, videos always delete. So be careful and enter your Wi-Fi password. Wait 1 second. If you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you and I will give my best for you. And sometime I not uploaded video and I really apologize my subscriber. Can you please subscribe my channel? 200 videos I uploaded, and if you watch my oldest videos, it's always good and useful videos. So can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you. Okay, see you, bye next video.